Hello YouTube and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install OpenVPN on your Ubuntu server under 5 minutes. So just follow the steps. It's really simple. Just SSH to your server and make sure you have root access to your server. And first of all, copy and paste this command to download the OpenVPN installation file. After that, if I write the ls command, I can see I have this file on my machine. So I need to give it the permission for executable file, and I just copy and paste it. Now it's done. So now I need to run this shell file. First of all, ask your IP address. If it's correct, just enter to going to the next step. I don't want to enable IP version 6, and my default port is 1194 is okay. I'm using UDP because UDP is faster but less secure, but it's okay for now. And I want to use the AdGuard DNS is okay, no, and it continue to install the OpenVPN on my machine. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see, the OpenVPN installed on my machine now ask me for the first client name. I just give it the name client. And I don't want to set the password for this user, and I want to create a passwordless user, but if you want, you can choose the second option, but for now, I just entered. So if I hit the ls, I can see I have my client's OVPN connection. So I open another terminal to download the configuration file of my client OpenVPN, and I just copy this command here. Make sure here is your server IP address, and make sure this location is correct, and make sure this location is correct because this is your computer name. And I hit the enter and ask me for my server password. Hey, it's okay. So I just put my password and let's wait. Downloading. Download successful. Okay, now I have my configuration to connect to my server. So for now, I just need to double click it and add this profile, and after that I hit the connect, but I don't want to connect because my connection to my server is interrupted. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask your question in comment. Thank you. See you.